Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to exactly create professional thumbnail on your mobile phone for your YouTube channel, and we are starting right now.
Okay friends, I'm here on my mobile screen and we are going to create exactly same thumbnail that you are seeing on the screen right now. Therefore guys, please make sure that you watch this video until the end without missing any part. And also we will be using Pixellab app to create thumbnail in this video. And if you haven't downloaded this application, you can go to Play Store or check the link in description below and download it. And just after opening Pixellab application, you will see like this kind of structure. So the first step after opening Pixellab application is to choose image size for your YouTube thumbnail. So for that, just click here on the three dot, click image size and choose YouTube thumbnail here and just click OK. Now you are good to go. So now from here, like this kind of filter button here, you can find different kind of template for your thumbnail, or you can just go to here. So you can just choose from here any kind of background you want. Either you can choose from the gallery here, or you can choose from the image here. You can literally choose any of the image from here and start creating your thumbnail. But I will be choosing any of the simple color, this one from here. And furthermore, I want to tell you that if you have a motivational or inspirational channel, then you can just click here and find different kind of motivation line here, or you can choose by filtering here what you exactly need. Friends, in French language also you can find here. So this is one of the great functionality of Pixellab. So we are not making any kind of inspirational or motivational thumbnails. So after choosing your background for your thumbnail, just click here in the middle and import any of the photo or picture of you that you want to add here. So this is the picture that I want to use and I have selected it. So if you are doing facecam and making your YouTube videos, then you can just click the photo of you yourself and remove the background. If you don't know how to remove the background, I have already created a video. I will place the video to the I button and description below. You can always go and check. Or if you make voiceover YouTube video like me, then you can just go to the Pixellab or unsplash.com and search for the main poses and download any kind of images you want and just watch my video how to remove background on one click and you are good to go. So after importing image, just click OK and resize the image according to your need. So after placing your image, please make sure that you click here and lock this. To what it will do is it will not move this image from now. And after this, I want here two kind of demo thumbnails. So again, click here import. I will be clicking here import and choose the first thumbnail here like this, resize it and place it there. And again, import another more thumbnail from gallery here. This one is another thumbnail that I have made the video of how to remove your background in one click. So again, I will resize this and place both of the thumbnails right here. So one more thing I want here in the top is I want to add arrow here. So I just choose here arrow and again resize it and choose the color black here and set it to the back. So I will do same for the another demo thumbnail here. So now after this, I want here to add text, like create better thumbnail text. So for that, just go to here, click here A button and click the plus button text here. So I want to write here create, so just click here edit and write whatever you want. Click OK and just scroll down here and set the color of the text. I will set it white, or you can exactly choose here and choose the random color for each letter like this, but I will be choosing here white for the all and choose here font, I will be choosing Days font, and after that I will choose the background color. Just enable it, and I will be choosing background color black here, and just I will manage it a little more. Keep radius here and set it to right here. So again I want to write here better, so for that just click the previous text here and just copy it and just place it here and write here better, and then after that set the different color for it. Like I will be choosing black color for better, and then I will be choosing white background color for this better text, and also I will be choosing different font from here. Now I will again copy this here and then click edit button and write here thumbnails. Again I will choose the red color here for the text and choose the font style to the meme font and set the background color to the white. So I will be resizing this here. So as you can see, our thumbnail is ready now, and it's time to export our thumbnail. So for that just click here in this button and save as image, and then choose the image format to the PNG and choose the dimensions to high or very high, even ultra if you want, but please make sure that the more dimension you choose, the size of your thumbnail will become more higher. So please make sure that your thumbnail size is less than 2 MB, because YouTube doesn't allow you to upload more than 2 MB thumbnails. So now after doing that, just click here save to gallery and you are done. Finally guys, we have learned to create a thumbnail for our YouTube channel, and if you want to watch more videos like this, then you can check our YouTube playlist on description below. So if you are new here, then please make sure that you subscribe the channel and click that bell icon to get notified of our future video. Okay guys, now here I will share some of the tips and rules that everyone must follow while creating thumbnail for YouTube. So please listen carefully. Tip number 1 is here, please make your thumbnail as simple as possible. Why? Simple, because to get high CTR, click-through rate. Tip number 2 is here, don't use as many words in your thumbnail. 2 to 3 words are sufficient. And lastly, tip number 3 is here, don't clickbait. Clickbait simply means if you are making cooking videos and you are adding mobile comparison thumbnail in your cooking video, then that's clickbait. So this was for today guys. Please make sure that you subscribe the channel, and now we will meet on the next one. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.